the most inspiring creative conference in the world.
The Mecca of tech entrepreneurship.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Businesses need to take degree of responsibility too.
This is the most important operating system.
Good and the bad about the internet is that it really amplifies the good and bad of humanity.
You never want to be the smartest person in the room. Well, when I'm here, I don't have to worry about that.
You have to be hungry and curious, and this is a place where you can come and sustain that curiosity.
Find something that you're willing to die for and live for it.
My biggest failure as a leader is I didn't ask for help when I should have done.
And when I sit on a stage here and look out, I see this incredibly diverse audience of people that I love to connect with.
The reason I'm here today is to talk about equality.
It is one of the best tech events in the world.
What other place can I be? I'm in heaven.
I never saw content at scale like this before. I don't think any of us did.
I'm waiting for the next transformative invention. It's been quite a while, like a decade.
There has to be fun, and there has to be business, and if you can mix both, then that's great. That's a great result, and New Orleans is a pretty good place for that.